finally you can say that the velocity of light is more in a substance, that is called as rarer. Velocity of light is least in that substance, that is denser. See here, consider this is medium 1, air, and this is the medium 2. See here, this is the shaded region. Let us imagine that this is called as water. Here, this water is a denser medium. So, air, water. So, rarer. So, and it is a denser medium. So, this is the separating part of two mediums. This one is interface. Right? Now, this is perpendicular line to the of two mediums. So, because it is normal. Suppose, while light ray travel from air to water, what happened? See here, this is the light ray produced from source of light. See here, now this light ray falls on interface. So, this light ray is known as incident ray. Incident ray. When it is fall on interface, at that interface, so light rays can change their direction because velocity of light is changed. Now, see here, now light rays can change their direction. Suppose here water is not there, totally air, the light rays propagate like rectilinear motion. Suppose it is total, it can consider as a single medium, no another medium. Without deviation, light rays are propagated. But here, because of two mediums, air and water, the velocity of light is different in different mediums. Then, so the light rays can change their direction at that incident of interface. Right? Here, the light ray is slightly bend because velocity of light is different. So, this light ray is called as refracted ray. What is that? Refracted ray. So, it is incident ray and it is refracted ray. Right? Now, the light ray, the velocity of light ray in air is V1. The velocity of light in another medium is V2. So, if V2 is less than V1, V2 is less than V1, then medium 2 is called as a denser medium, and compared to first medium, the first medium is air. Air is a rarer medium. Here V2 is less than V1. You know, the velocity of light in water is 2.25 into 10 power 8 meter per second. That one is less than, here V1 is air. The velocity of light in air is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Here V2 is greater than V1. So, velocity of light in water is less than velocity of light in air. So, because this medium 2 is a denser medium compared to medium 1, here medium 1 is a air. Suppose we can change that position. Now, so it is the interface, separating part of two medium. So, this is the shaded region. Let us imagine that this is water. So, this water is a denser medium. Here air is there, consider this is air. So, then it is rarer medium. So, now it is normal, perpendicular, normal. So, in this situation, light rays transfer from denser medium to rarer medium. Light rays transfer from denser to rarer. So, what happened? See here, this light ray is from source of light or source of the object. So, this light is incident ray. Incident ray. So this is the incident point at interface. Then the light ray can change their direction. Then this light ray is refracted ray. Incident ray, refracted ray. Here the velocity of light in water is v1. The velocity of light in air is v2. Here v2 is greater than v1. v2 is greater than v1. Velocity of light in air is more than velocity of light in water. v2 is greater than v1. Then medium, suppose this is medium 1, this is medium 2, then this medium 1 is called as a denser medium. So compare with this one. So this is in this situation. See here, this is normal incident ray. Now the angle in between normal and incident ray, it is angle of incidence. This angle is called angle of incidence. Now the angle in between refracted ray and normal, it is angle of refraction. Right? Now here it is incident ray. Then the angle in between normal and incident ray, this is angle of incidence. And you know this is refracted ray. The angle in between normal and refracted ray, it is angle of refraction. Here two conditions. One, what happens when light ray travel from rarer to denser medium? This is condition one. One more condition, what happens when light ray travel from denser medium to rarer medium? First one, so light rays travel from rarer medium to denser medium. See here, light ray transfer from denser medium to rarer medium, refracted ray towards the normal. See here, it is the normal. Compared to incident and refracted ray towards the normal, because the velocity of light in water is less than velocity of light in air. So because the light ray bends towards the normal, this is angle I, it is angular, angle of incidence to angle of refraction. So out of I and R, here angle I is greater than angle R. It means angle of incidence is greater than angle of refraction. It is nothing but angle R is less than angle I. Next, second condition. What happens when light rays travel from denser medium to rarer medium? Now it is denser medium. So second condition, light rays transfer from denser medium to rarer medium. So from denser medium to rarer. So it is incident, it is refracted. So out of denser and rarer, here water and air, you know the velocity of light in air is more than water. So because then the light ray travels from water to air, it means denser medium to rarer medium. The refracted ray is away from normal. It means here this is angle of incidence, it is angle of refraction. Then out of I and R, here angle I is less than angle R. It means angle of refraction is greater than angle of incidence. So why? Because it is happened here. So this is air. The velocity of light in air is more than velocity of light in water. So because now the refracted ray is away from normal. So from this activity you can conclude that, so refraction of light, you know, the light rays always transfer from one transparent medium, that is rarer or denser, whatever that. So rarer to denser or denser to rarer. So the light rays transfer from one transparent medium to another transparent medium. Light rays can change their direction because velocity of light is changed from medium to medium. Now light rays can change their direction at that incident point, you know, that is interface. Undeviate condition of light ray. So at what condition? In these two conditions light rays are deviated. Okay, so undeviate condition, rarer water dense. So it is normal. Normal. So normal. Here, when light is directly focused on normal, from rarer medium to denser medium. So light is directly focused on normal. Light ray is undeviate. It means here angle I equal to angle R, that equal to 0. Here angle of deviation is 0. Light ray is undeviated. In this condition, light rays transfer from air to water, means rarer to denser. What happens when it is reverse? It means when light ray is directly focused on normal in denser medium. So this is normal. Then light is directly focused on normal from denser medium to rarer medium, water to air. Now this without deviation, light rays directly penetrate these two mediums. See here, undeviate. Here also angle I equal to angle R, that equal to 0. It means angle of deviation is 0. So except this condition, light rays are undeviated.